Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to change cards on Doordash. Launch the Doordash app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you are logged into your Doordash account. Look for the account or profile icon in the app. It is typically located in the bottom right corner of the menu bar. Tap on the icon to access your account settings. Within your account settings, look for the payment methods or payment option. It may be under a section labeled account or settings. In the payment method section, you should see your current payment methods listed. Look for an option to add a new card. This may be labeled as Add Payment Method, Add Card, or similar. Tap on the option to add a new card. You will be prompted to enter the details of your new card. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Fill in the required information accurately. After entering the card details, you may have an option to save the new card for future use. Make sure to enable this option if you want to use the card for future Doordash orders. Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the addition of the new card. If you want the newly added card to be your default payment method, you may have an option to set it as the default. This means it will be usually automatically for your orders unless you choose another payment method during checkout. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to complete the process of adding the new card. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.